watching a bunch of YouTube videos how people are making their own Coraline mini-me version, and we also watch
Rachel Maxie.
yeah, Rachel Maxie. She did a mini-me, but yeah, you can keep.
She did with like clay, and then was like wire armature, and then like sewed the body together.
Yeah.
And but for
it's
this
really
one,
cute. If you want to see the video, maybe I'll leave the link in the description, and that kind of inspired us.
Yeah, and so this is our own kind of like twist to it.
Yeah.
This one's all like
fabric. There's a lot of sewing and buttons. So yeah, we decided to do it, and this is our mini-me. This is gonna be just a short video, and later I'm gonna divide the tutorial, like how we did the face, how we did the clothes. Oh, that was, what was the hardest part for you?
I don't know, thinking about how to do it, starting it, like planning the pattern for the body, probably.
Oh yeah, that was, oh Jesus, that was the hardest one.
Because we had to do like a lot of research to see how other people
how
kind of
did raggedy dolls. Oh, there's this lady Patti. Oh my God, I forgot her name. But that's how I learned how to sculpt the face. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below, or maybe somewhere on the information. I don't know where I'm gonna leave it. But check it out. Her name is Patti. She makes beautiful dolls, and that's how I learned how to sculpt the nose and the little, how you call it, the little smirks, whatever, the dimples.
I don't know.
Yeah. So, but we watch a lot of other videos, and this is our first doll. So,
out of fabric.
Oh yeah. How was that? Oh, like we had done clay dolls too before.
Yeah, clay dolls, and I did a crochet doll.
Oh yeah, amigurumi and stuff. So this
fabric.
is the first one in fabric. So and we're very proud. It was a lot of work. So we're gonna do the tutorials like body, face, clothes. Yeah, that's it. And the cool thing about this one is that besides that they're wearing our jewelry, she can also. Oh, there go my glass. Jesus, girl, why did you do that? And then she's smiling about it. That is rude. Okay, yeah, she can wear the glasses. Now she looks like an old lady. Well, I am kind of an old lady for the young people out there. I should have done her with a gray hair, because I got a gray hair somewhere there. That would have been cool. I can still add it on, so. Anyway, so yeah.
Like Sweeney Todd.
Oh, whoa, a couple of years more, maybe I'll be like Sweeney Todd or something like that. So yeah, we did pretty cool stuff, do our jewelry, like, what was the most fun part for you? I didn't even say the part that I didn't like the most. I think the part I didn't like was putting the net on, because to figure out, it's like,
oh yeah, I didn't like that.
Not even the hair was kind of relaxing, even though we put one strand by
I
each
didn't
strand.
mind
Yeah,
to like separate, so it's a bit more bald. So
she kind of painted it like she had more hair than me, so us put together. She have a lot of hair, but it was kind of fun. Okay, so we found fabric that actually matched. Julieta found that one.
Pants.
I know, we didn't even have to go to the store because it wasn't my fabric stuff. And I found one that kind of matched with the little chain.
I don't know if you can really see the design. It's kind of dark.
Oh, it is dark a little bit.
I can't see from here anyway, so.
Yeah, but it does match. I don't know, maybe you can show it later.
Yeah, maybe.
But it does match kind of perfectly with her look a little bit there, but it's pretty
this one's
similar.
definitely lighter.
Yeah, but it's really cool. And then Juliana gave me the idea to put like the remaining of the chain in here, so it looked kind of like this.
Yeah.
So I think it looked pretty cool. So maybe I'll let her keep the Whipping Angel necklace. So we're kind of matching a little bit. So anyways, that was kind of fun. I think the most fun that I had was kind of doing the sculpting of the face, because it kind of brought her alive, I think. and I don't know, I think it looked like a Cabbage Patch Kid, and the
It
clothes,
does.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And beside the neck, doing the face pattern. Cause I asked Juliana, I asked Juliana to do like a quick sketch of how we wanted it to look, and then I had to keep trying different patterns so I could do the pattern. But the thing is, like when you translate it from sketch to fabric pattern, it's very different. So there were many failed attempts me trying to figure out a pattern that have the nose shape and the chin and the forehead didn't go too back. So yeah, I tried many times. Yeah, yeah. It kind of look like us too, like in the profile too. So it's pretty cool. Sure. Yeah, it was pretty fun to do.
The most fun I had, I think, was like doing the shading. You can't really see it, but
like that line. Yeah, I'm glad we included that because.
Oh no, not the line. I mean like the shading.
Oh, the shading.
But
okay,
you can't see that.
I thought you said shade because Juliana really wanted to include this right here, and when
it's kind of creepy.
When I did the pattern, I did not include that the way like
it wasn't like two parts where you sew in. It was different.
So I can't wait a way to make her happy, like, oh, we did it. So she did it too, and it looked really cool. I like how it looks. I think hers look more like Coraline too. That's so cool. Oh, and she decided to do the buttons like that.
Oh yeah, that was like different. Because there was another one of this button, and I kind of like this one. So like that one went well.
And we were thinking maybe brown, but then she said that would be cuter and pretty. Yeah, I actually like it too. Yeah. So.
And this one looks a bit more like older, I guess.
Yeah. And I like how you did the shading and the mouth too and everything.
Yeah,
so
it was kind of hard to see.
Yeah. So it was nice. I really enjoy it. I kind of want to do another one together. It was a lengthy process. Halfway I was like, oh my god, how am I going to add so many parts to this? But at the end it was really exciting to make it. And I think I'm ready to make another one. But not yet. Like it will take, how long does it take us? Less than a week though.
Yeah, I think
like
something
a couple of
that,
days, but I thought it was gonna be like 1 day project or something like no.
1 day? You thought it was gonna be 1 day?
At least or two, but
I don't think
yeah.
I didn't think it was gonna be.
It took only like 1 day to just figure out a pattern because we wanted to make our own and see. So this is our own design. So I'm pretty proud of it. So and the clothes, we learned how to do patterns for clothes. That was like. And Juliana figured out that pant really nice, shoulder pant. That's neat.
Oh yeah, like the pants are pretty good.
Yeah, they fit perfectly and everything.
It's pretty good.
And the chair was kind of a failure, but then we figured out too how to do it.
Yeah, the only thing I don't like about the shirt is the collar because it doesn't quite look like a collar. I don't know. Kind of
maybe the next clothes
maybe
will do better. Anyway, that's it.
If you like this video, please press the thumbs up button.
Subscribe if you like the video, like I said before. Take care, keep safe, keep busy, entertained, do fun stuff with your family. And that's it. Take care. So it'll be to the next one. Ciao. Hi. Hi.